Hello everyone, welcome back to raturitechmedia. This video is on how you can get top rated status on Upwork. Here is the criteria: a current job success score of 90% or higher, so maintain positive feedbacks on your contract. Next is wait at least 90 days after getting your first project. Third is maintain a rising talent badge or a job success score of at least 90% for at least 13 of the last 16 weeks. So hover on find work and click on my stats. Here you can check this top rated eligible weeks. It should be at least 13 out of 16. Now you should have at least $1,000 earning in your last 12 months. Verify this from my stats section. Next is 100% complete profile. Fill all your information in your profile and also set this availability section. Next is you should never violate Upwork's terms and conditions, which can lead to account hold. At last, you should have done some activity on the platform in the last 90 days.